This is a brief demonstration of Grapher 7. I will not attempt to go over all of the features, but I will try to cover the most important ones. When you first open Grapher, you will see two tabbed windows, the Plot window and the Worksheet window. The Plot window appears as a blank white page. In this area, you can create and edit all of your graphs. The Plot window allows you to create graphs, add text, import images, and create your final graphical presentation. Now let's click on the Worksheet window. The Worksheet window is the location where you can open existing data files or create new data. Now, let's open an example file. This file will make it easier to explain some of the features. This file is located in the Grapher Samples folder. Click on the File menu. Choose the Open command. Verify that you are in the Samples directory. Click on the sample4.grf file and click the Open button. After the sample4.grf file is open, I'm going to choose View, Fit to Window to make the graph larger on the Plot window. Grapher has 4 manager windows. Each manager window controls an aspect of the program. The most important manager windows are the Object Manager, and the Property Inspector. All of the managers can be opened and closed from the View menu. Choose View, Toolbars Managers. All of the toolbars and managers are listed. If there is a check mark next to the name, then the toolbar or manager is currently open. If no check mark is next to the name, then the toolbar or manager is closed. You can open and close any toolbar or manager by clicking on its name. The Object Manager lists all of the objects that are located in the Plot window. In this case, all of the items are a part of a single graph, Graph 1. To select an object, you can click on the object in the Plot window, or you can click once on the object name in the Object Manager. In this example, the Graph 1 object contains several different types of sub-objects: 2 axes, a plot, a legend, and 3 fit curves. All of these objects can be individually edited. The Property Inspector lists all of the properties available for the selected object. Whenever you change the properties of an object, the change is reflected immediately on the graph. For example, if we click on the Legend 1 object in the Object Manager, we can change the properties of the legend. You can add a shadow by clicking on the checkbox next to Display Shadow. In addition, you can click on any other tab, like the Line tab or the Fill tab. The properties displayed in the Property Inspector are different for each different object type. Line scatter plots have different properties, such as the clipping or error bars properties, than do fit curves or axes. The other managers that are available in the Grapher 7 program include the Worksheet Manager and the Script Manager. These are tabbed at the bottom of the Plot window. The Worksheet Manager is similar to a worksheet window. All of the functions of the worksheet are available in the Worksheet Manager. To access the menus in the Worksheet Manager, right-click anywhere in the Worksheet Manager area. The menus are displayed, and you can choose the desired command. The Script Manager window is similar to the Golden Software Scripter program. You can load, run, or edit a script in this window. This window will be discussed in a future video in more detail. If any of the managers disappear or cannot be located on the screen, you can choose the View, Toolbars Managers command, and click on the manager name to make it reappear. If the Toolbar Manager still does not appear, you can use the View, Reset Windows command to return them to their default locations. You will need to close the program and restart it if you select this command. In addition to the managers, Grapher has several toolbars that allow easy access to the commands or allow you to change properties of an object. The 2D Graphs and 3D Graphs toolbars allow you to easily create a new graph. The Drawing toolbar allows you to easily add drawing objects such as rectangles or text to your graph. The Script Recorder toolbar allows you to record, stop recording, or run a script. The Standard toolbar allows you to create a new document, open an existing document, save, import, export, print, cut, copy, paste, undo a command, redo a command, or get help on any command in the Grapher program. The Zoom toolbar allows you to zoom on the graph. You can either use the Zoom In, Out, Zoom Rectangle, Zoom Selected, or Pan View buttons. You can also type in a percentage and see the entire graph at that zoom percentage. In addition, for a 3D graph, you can rotate the graph. The Position Size toolbar allows you to edit the location or size of any selected object. For example, click on the Y-axis 1 in the Object Manager. You can change the size of the axis to display a smaller axis. The graph will automatically update. You can change the location of the object by typing in a new value in the X or Y boxes. In addition, you can lock an object so that it cannot be moved. I'm now going to close this Grapher file so that I can prepare for my next demonstration. Choose File, Close to close your file. I'm going to click No when prompted to save the changes to the graph. You can continue watching the training videos, or you can begin working in the Grapher 7 program. An excellent place to start is the tutorial. To access the tutorial, open Grapher and choose Help, Tutorial.